Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP doesn't like so much English in the paper. Brajesh Kalappa of the Congress, I don't know whether he likes or doesn't like. We'll have to see where he stands because he's trying to tread on both sides tonight. Typically Congress position. Shefali Mishra of the Aam Aadmi Party says, don't do anything which marginalizes those who want to, who would not be comfortable with the English part of the test. I presume that's her position. Naveen Prakash, a UPSC aspirant, is firmly against this 22 marks and 8 questions that you have to answer in English. Rahul Ishwar wants more English. He says no problem. Sanjay Bhoos Reddy, president of the IAS Officers Association, says I have no problems with the English. My first question is to R.K. Mishra, president of the Navbharat Democratic Party, who believes it's too much of a big deal being made over 8 questions that an IAS, potential IAS or a civil service officer has to answer in English. I think it's a big deal. Why do you think it's a big deal, Mr. Mishra?
No, I think a fundamental view from Delhi and Hindi-speaking state, which also includes me, I was born and brought up in UP, they don't realize that India is not Hindi. Now, if you are going to be, it's an Indian administrative service. It is not a UP administrative service or Bihar administrative service. And you do not get your home state. Now, suppose you are going to get Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu as your cadre. Of course, you are going to learn the language of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Along with that, if your English is so pathetic, you also need to learn English as a language. So you are going to, apart from your administrative duties, you are also going to learn 2 languages. And fundamentally, I went through the details. CSAT 2, which has the common sense questions of analytical, your abilities, your ability to take the decision on the spot. These people are supposed to be ordering.
This is simple English.
Shooting when there is a riot. People are supposed to be doing. So that common sense question and then English question is a high school English. And I believe a person who has done the graduation and appearing for UPSC exam cannot comprehend the English of high school. And these people also meet foreign delegation when they are deputed in Delhi or even in their own state.
I have a simple, I want to give a simple example here, first of all. For those who are against this English part, I see hands go up there. Brajesh, you want to go? Let me give an example because there may be viewers saying, oh my God, this must be complicated English. I'll give one example here. 2011 paper is with me.
English.
No, 2011 paper is with me. Okay? Yes, Naveen Prakash, let me give one example. There is a small passage. I have to put it out here. It's some 12 lines. There are 2 lines out of it which says, it talks about a farmer who's walking and it says, as night fell, he slept under a haystack lying in a meadow. As night fell, he slept under a haystack lying in a meadow. And the question below it is, when the night fell, he slept A, in the open field, B, under a pile of dry grass, C, in a farmer's cottage, and D, under a tree. So, Naveen Prakash, my problem with you is, obviously it is B, under a pile of dry grass, under a haystack or something like that. So, this is not complicated English. This is class 5-6 level English. Elementary English. Now, it is written in this passage, it says, he fell asleep because he got tired. Options are, he fell asleep because A, he was exhausted, B, he was all alone. Obviously, because he was exhausted. You are making a big song and dance about questions like this. Will you say tomorrow, Mr. Prakash, you are the want to be in the civil services, will you say you should not even know the alphabets?
It's not about alphabet, Arnab.
It's virtually not like that.
No. It's not about alphabet. I'll say one thing first. Foreign delegations. I love to speak in Hindi because most of the people of Indians understand Hindi, 11 states. We don't become an IAS just to meet with foreign delegations. Sir, मैं जमुई जिले से हूँ और आप जानते हो जमुई जिला कहाँ पर है? You have to go to Tamil Nadu, sir.
How about Tamil Nadu? How about Kerala? How about
आप मेरी बात सुनो. मैंने जमुई का नाम इसलिए लिया क्योंकि मैं इंडिया के मोस्ट नेक्सलाइट अफेक्टेड एरिया से हूँ. मैं उस रेड कॉरिडोर से हूँ. 67 में 2 आदमी ने शुरू किया था और आज वो पूरी दुनिया में फैल गया है. मैं हिंदी के लिए नहीं, मैं वो 22 लैंग्वेज के लिए आया हूँ. क्यों नहीं 22 लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेशन हो सकता है? फर्स्ट. सेकेंड थिंग, अगर इंग्लिश इतना कंपलसरी है तो जब हम ट्रेनिंग आप देते हो तो पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की आप ट्रेनिंग देते हो, तो एक लैंग्वेज की ट्रेनिंग आप लवासना में क्यों नहीं दे सकते? आप हर गांव तक कंप्यूटर नहीं पहुंचा पाए, आप हर गांव तक इंग्लिश नहीं पहुंचा पाए, और आपने इंग्लिश को कंपलसरी कर दिया है कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल के एग्जामिनेशन में। जिस चीज की जरूरत होती है उस चीज की आप ट्रेनिंग दे सकते हो अपने ऑफिसर्स को। अगर मानिए किसी को फ्रांस भेजना हो तो आप पहले उनको थोड़ा सा फ्रेंच सिखाते हो, अगर किसी को जापान भेजना हो तो आप पहले थोड़ा सा जापानीज सिखाते हो। अगर इंग्लिश इतना कंपलसरी है और काम को करने के लिए, तो आप लवासना में 3 महीने का एक सेशन रखिए, क्योंकि हर गली हर चौक में एक कोचिंग सेंटर है जहां पर 3 महीने में इंग्लिश सिखाई जा सकती है। वो बच्चा जो आईएएस बन चुका है, 3 महीने में क्यों नहीं सीख सकता? सर मेरी 2-3
मोदी गवर्नमेंट gives in on this,
मैं इस जगह पर खुद के लिए नहीं, तेलंगाना के विदर्भ के उन गरीब किसान के बच्चे के लिए आया हूँ। मैं उन लोगों के लिए आया हूँ जो आपके घरों के बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए कुछ नहीं मिलता, किताबें तक नहीं मिलती।
We are all proud of his spirit.
1 minute.
7% population food security.
Mr. Naveen Prakash, Mr. Prakash,
बच्चों को
Mr. Prakash,
लाने के लिए आप
Mr. Prakash, Mr. Prakash,
आप एमजी नरेगा वाले कंट्री के हो, आप इंग्लिश की बात करते हो।
Mr. Prakash, जरा 1 मिनट प्रकाश जी, जरा 1 मिनट रुक जाए।
सर जस्ट
प्रकाश जी 1 मिनट रुक जाए, सबके व्यूज लेते हैं। I want to get Rahul Ishwar next into this. Brajesh Kalappa comes into this. Now what is this protest? No, what is this protest? These are, 1 second. The protest is, there are 8 or 9 questions. We won't take those 8 or 9 questions. I have just proven those 8 or 9 questions are elementary basic English.
We are proud of his spirit.
And I think,
dear brother,
personal question to you.
Rahul Ishwar is, Naveen 1 minute, Rahul Ishwar.
Dear brother, we are proud of your spirit.
Yes.
We are proud of your spirit. We want to promote Sanskrit, Hindi, Malayalam and ordinary regional language we have. But having said that, there are some realities we cannot ignore. English as a link language and as a global language has emerged, and language is a growth of centuries. For example, a person like me, when I came to Allahabad, hold on. Having said that, see, there are some realities you cannot ignore, and please understand, people like us who come from south will have a problem in the north, people when go to east will have a problem. And remember, English might have been by foreigners, but hold on, please hold on. English might have been a foreign language. English might have been a foreign language. We have to internalize it, we have to conquer it and use it to our advantage. We have to conquer the English language and use it to our advantage. We have to use the same language to our advantage.
I'll tell you what's going on here. No, 1 second, Mr. Prakash, just a minute, please. Mr. Prakash, just a minute. You know what's going on here.
Please listen.
This is pure and simple politics. Mr. Prakash, 1 minute. Mr. Prakash, 1 minute. This is pure and simple politics. And all of these political parties will now fight over it. I can tell you what they are doing. They have all woken up. There is an election happening in Uttar Pradesh. So there are 2 or 3 ways in which you can divide people, Siddharth Nath Singh. One way in which you can divide people is caste. 1 minute, please. Let me complete. So some people have mastered caste and lost it. Second way you can divide people is religion. So you are trying to do a little thing in Moradabad, somebody else is trying something elsewhere. The third way in which you can divide people or consolidate people is language. So that is exactly what you are doing, because this change has happened in 2011 onwards. In 2011, the UPSC decided to replace the optional subject paper with a paper that tests the aspirant's aptitude. So when this aptitude happens, within this you have communication skills, logical reasoning, analytical ability, decision making, problem solving, mental ability, basic numerics, basic data interpretation and basic secondary school level English language. Siddharth Nath Singh, आपको कोई issue नहीं मिला? You didn't get any issue that you are now competing over this. No. First of all, you are a Rip Van Winkle. You've woken up now too late.
Arnab?
No, 1 second. Siddharth Nath Singh.
I'd like to make a point over here.
Hang on. Now you have raised a question.
I personally
Mr. Arnab Goswami, you have raised a question.
Shefali, after Siddharth, yeah. And it's an open debate. Feel free to come in. Yeah, Shefali, just after Siddharth.
You have raised that.
Arnab, the point over here is this issue is hardly political. This issue is about the UPSC introducing something that is not egalitarian. And the point that we're trying to make over here is, Well, the trends indicate that CAST appears to be problematic, and that trend is backed by evidence. There are studies that are being going on. The committee report is still to come out. I request that this issue not be politicized. This is not a matter of Hindi, it's a matter of representation. And if you're looking at a democratic movement where people are not happy with English, you cannot shut the door on them. That's our main point. And whether you're looking at CAST2, looking at comprehension, communication,
Shefali,
logic, people have a right to speak and vocalize in their own language. And the BJP itself has said that it will not discriminate based on language. So why are we not open about the changes that are happening?
the issue is
I have
Right
given,
now,
I have given my time to the lady,
problematic.
so please allow me.
the question is this. The question is this. We have a UP election coming up and the Congress, BJP, everyone will try to fight with each other to try and appear to be for the Hindi speakers.
Well,
What,
let me come up. Now come.
Siddharth, there are
Don't take it
300
too
million
far.
English speakers
Don't
in
take it
India.
too far.
There are
You see-
300 million English speakers in India. English is one of the top spoken languages in the world.
Mr. Arnab Goswami,
and the
if you
civil
have
services of
completed
India.
your sermon, can I answer?
Well, your
Can
government
I
is
answer
confused.
after your sermon?
You have a confused
I've been very
government.
decent on your channel. I've allowed another lady from the AAP to speak. When you raise the questions, allow me to
Yeah, but you
answer.
have a confused government. Your government
One,
is confused,
there is no
mightily
politicking.
confused on this.
Definitely,
There
I
is
do
no,
agree.
you are confused. You are confused. Now let me answer
Sir,
it.
you are thoroughly
You're getting
confused on the
confused.
subject.
I'll tell you, there's no politicking, and certainly your accusation on Muradabad is certainly wrong. There is enough to prove that, but we may do
We'll
it on
get into
another
that another
But
day.
you can't make a
Sir, come
sweeping
to
remark on
CSAT
Times
and
now.
come to Indian
Although
languages,
you are
sir.
an anchor.
Sir, come to
now,
CSAT and
second,
come to Indian languages.
second.
Let him
now
speak. Let him defend
let
himself.
Let me complete.
Complete.
When you say
Please complete.
on the Google Translator, how they translate?
That's a separate subject.
It appeared in one of the
That's a
leading
separate subject.
newspapers coming
You're changing
from
the
South,
subject
national
now.
newspaper.
You're changing
It
the
says
subject now.
Steel plant.
You're changing the subject.
Steel plant is Google translates steel plant as
Siddharth Nath Singh-
lohe ka pauda. Now how does a person answer that?
Sir,
These are the issues which is being faced.
Siddharth.
Those children who are coming from a Hindi heartland or otherwise also.
you see now
we
this
need
is
to
so
correct
wrong
the
of you.
system which has been
And this
imposed
is
in
elite class
2011.
aptitude test, sir.
Maybe the content or
Okay.
the idea could be brilliant,
Okay.
that they must have a management skill,
Okay,
and that needs to be tested.
So, Mr. Siddharth
But
Nath Singh, I
we
really
need to be
suppose I
technically
were to
correct.
take for granted.
So these things are being
suppose
looked
I
at
was
the
to
government,
assume,
and the government will come up with a
one
structured
second.
response which
Siddharth,
we'll be doing in a 1 week's time.
Siddharth, 1 minute, Brajesh, before you come in. Siddharth, let me assume for a minute that Siddharth Nath Singh is an honest man. Let me assume for a minute that Siddharth Singh believes in what he is saying.
No, don't assume I am.
Let me further assume that Siddharth Nath Singh is not just another politician putting up another act. Siddharth Nath Singh has to tell me where he was between 2011 and July 2014.
Yeah.
Where were you?
Arnab Goswami.
I know my
Arnab
name.
Goswami.
I know my name. You tell me what you were
This
doing.
entire issue became a bombshell.
Bombshell?
This issue came
Bombshell.
rocking.
This is how you
after a
describe the
PIL
issue,
and the High
bombshell.
Court came in.
No,
and
you see-
then the
Sir, I
central
totally
government.
disagree
with you.
The
want to-
problem is with the
totally
central government.
disagree
They
with
take a decision. Then a PIL and a High Court gives a
Sir,
judgment. Then on the basis of that, they form a committee.
I think
Verma committee. They give a 3 months time.
I would urge
the Verma committee doesn't give a report.
I would urge
the
you-
government is not bothered. When we come in the government, we are
I
faced
would
with this
urge
crisis,
you-
which we are trying to resolve
urge
in a
you-
very short period, and we have asked for a 1 week's time.
I urge you to consider the facts. Yes, Brajesh, I'm coming to you next. I urge you to consider the facts and consider the language you have used. I urge you in the course of the next 30 minutes to take back the word bombshell which you just used, because to describe a sensitive subject as a bombshell may work for you politically. You may have revealed your mind. But that means you want to use these poor students for your
it
political
came as-
advantage.
certainly-
Brajesh Kalapa
certainly-
responding to
I'd like to make a
Brajesh
point
Kalapa
about
is
this.
responding now.
No,
Brajesh
there is no
Kalapa has turned
political
to come back.
advantage.
Brajesh
Everything
Kalapa
cannot be on
turn
Times
now to
Now
come back into the
political
debate.
advantage.
Brajesh
And
Kalapa.
Times Now cannot continue saying, do not
there are
politicize the
22
issue.
languages.
Certainly
That
you
there
are
are 22
politicizing
languages
by pulling us into it and
which
saying
are
you were
effectively
silent.
competing against
It was the
English.
central government
And
under UPA
please,
which
Mr.
took a
Singh,
decision.
you-
Gentlemen, one at a
How much
time. One at a time. Brajesh
Arnab?
Kalapa.
Yeah. You see,
Arnab?
there are 22 languages who are competing against English, and you will realize that a vast majority of India speak these 22 languages and very few people speak English. It has always been the effort of the Indian National Congress to bring more and more people into the mainstream. This is the reason why the Indian National Congress took steps
Mr.
in the very
Karappa, it
first
was your
place
doing.
to remove London, to remove London from the ICS system. One, then we increase the age the limit from 21 to 24 and then to 26. And today we have tried to bring every group possible to be able to complete the examination in a fair and efficient manner.
Brajesh
This has been
Kalappa,
the
you know,
effort
you
of
are
the
saying a
Indian
lot
National
but saying
Congress.
nothing. Are
It's
you
the very
for or
same
against?
effort.
Brajesh
Mr.
Kalappa, you are
Karappa,
saying a lot
why
but
did
saying
in the
nothing.
first place you
You're
bring in
saying a lot but saying
2011?
nothing. You don't even know your own
And why were
position.
you
Are you for
sleeping
or
till May
against?
2014?
2011, since 2011,
Are you for or against,
there
sir?
have been people who have been suffering.
No, watch it. Can I just speak
3
to
years
Brajesh
you slept
Kalappa?
over it and you pushed it.
Brajesh Kalappa, watch it. My charge against
No, we
you.
did not.
My charge against you.
I hope you will know that we
My
increased
charge
the
against
the
you.
age limit.
My charge against you, Mr. Kalappa, at
that
least
charge
let
will
me
not
there. You
fly.
hear that? My charge against you.
Yeah, sure.
My charge against you is that unfortunately for the Congress party and unfortunately for 10 Janpath, you have got into a cycle of taking decisions in your tenure and then protesting against them because there's a BJP government in the center. There is no hiding today.
No.
You created the mess.
No, I'll tell you what.
You created the mess.
No, we did
you
not.
changed the rules in 2011 on the basis of the Khanna committee panel. Am I right? Am I right, Siddharth Nath Singh?
Yeah.
Am I right on that?
Yes.
Yeah. No, let me
That's right. In
explain.
2010,
Let me explain.
Ornab, in 2010, the Khanna committee comes
the
up and
charges
they
against me
then
and
they
Mr. Singh
change
wants to
it from
speak.
2011.
The
You
charges
start
against the
implementing
Congress
it.
and the
When the
BJP
PIL case
wants to speak.
comes and the High Court gives a judgment, you think of forming
Mr.
a Verma
Singh is very
committee
quick on the
and you
draw.
don't even bother
Mr.
to
Singh
accept
is
the
very
report
quick
or
on the
ask them,
draw.
please give us the report.
Mr. Singh is
And
very
that
quick
let
on the draw,
next
but that
time
doesn't
decide
help
it.
the matter.
So that is
The
exactly
charges
what we are
against the
doing.
Congress,
We have
let me
asked for a
answer.
1 week time and we will be taking a decision in a week's time.
You see, Arnab, the point is that in March of
Your
the last
problems
year,
we
the
are
issue
undoing.
came to
You're
a boil.
doing, we are untying it.
At that time, Mr. Rahul Gandhi had met these gentlemen who were agitating. On that basis, there was a decision taken to enhance the age
And you didn't take a call.
under which they could qualify.
No, Rahul
And this
Gandhi
was
what?
Specifically taken.
Rahul
You didn't
Gandhi
take a
wakes
call.
up
No,
occasionally.
you
Allowed the
don't want
committee to
give
run
any
for
credit
3
to us,
months
it's a
with 1
different
month's
matter.
extension.
But the people will give us the credit.
Is this a joke?
No, it's not a question of credit. Don't honestly take a credit that Rahul Gandhi met them. You should have resolved.
And then
If we are taking Mr. Karappa, if we are taking a call that within a week we will resolve it, why couldn't you do it?
That committee
in 10 months?
That committee could
Why
not
didn't
give
you
its
do in
report,
10 months since
and then
when the Rahul
elections were
Gandhi met
called,
them?
And elections were called. And then you know that the government was not able to talk to the committee.
My dear
But
friend,
this government has been in existence for 60 days. What has it been
You
doing
give
for
an
60 days?
extension
They did not know.
to the committee.
They did not know that this kind of a issue
The
would
committee
arise.
you form
For the last
because of
60
the
days,
High Court,
a government which
you
which
politicize
promises
it,
to
you
be
meet
more
Rahul Gandhi meets,
reciprocative,
you
a
don't take a
government which
decision.
says
Gentlemen, let's
that
go
you
back to the root
are-
issue.
Government, when they come,
Let's
you
go
say,
back to
okay,
the
no
root issue.
problem.
My question to Sanjay Reddy is a more basic issue. Sanjay Reddy, please just tell me one thing. We can keep debating it. By the way, don't mind it, Brajesh, but I think just as the BJP is being opportunistic, you are being hypocritical. Rahul Gandhi takes one position in 2011 and one position in 2000. No, please don't. I'm not going to mince my words
Totally
with you.
disagree.
No, you can say we can argue on how hypocritical you are. No, we can argue on how hypocritical you are, but it is only the question of the degree of hypocrisy. The fact that you are being hypocritical on this there is no doubt about it. My question to Sanjay Bose Reddy is this. Sir, tell me, for an IAS officer, an IFS officer, or a revenue service officer, isn't basic, and this is basic proficiency in English not necessary? Can you work without knowing basic English?
With my experience of last 25 years, I can say with humility that you need basic learning of the language English, because a lot of business in government it's transacted in English. Then, as one of our member has very rightly said, that you may get some other cadre, like I come from South, but I am in UP, so I have to learn
Yes.
Hindi.
Yes.
Similarly, other languages you learn.
These things you
But
learn on
then
the job.
you need to have
These things you learn on the
proficiency
job,
in a
Mr.
particular
Bose.
language.
English you learn on the job.
Arey,
and
Mr.
the common
Kalappa, let him
language-
speak.
And the common.
But not at competitive examination level. You can learn it at Labasna.
Let me complete.
Why Labasna has been made?
Let me complete.
Labasna बनाया क्यों गया? ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए. You can learn English there. You can learn French there.
No,
you can learn anything there.
Labasna cannot become panacea for all types of learning.
Competitive examination should be for level playing ground. And you are not creating level playing ground. What is the significance on 15 August 1947? 15 अगस्त 1947 का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है सर? क्यों हमने आजादी ली? क्यों इतने सारे लोगों को शहीद किया हमने? अंग्रेजों को लड़ने के लिए, अंग्रेजी से लड़ने के लिए? क्या उन लोगों ने नहीं कहा था कि वह देश हो हमारा जहां शहीदों की आत्मा न रोए? क्या उन्होंने नहीं कहा था कि कोई गरीब बच्चा पेट बांध कर न सोए? बड़ी मुश्किल से माओ ने हम बच्चों को पाला है. चुनौती है आपको जो हमारा अधिकार छीनने वाला है. सर मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूं कि खुदीराम बोस, चंद्रशेखर बिस्मिल, लाला लाजपत राय के लहू से सींचकर हमने तिरंगा उपजाया है. अगर इस तिरंगे की आत्मा को मारने आओगे तो सुन लो, सारे डीपी अग्रवाल बदल दिए जाओगे. और आप इस तिरंगे की आत्मा को मारने के लिए आए हैं. जो लोग सीसेट को, जो लोग एप्टीट्यूड को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, जो लोग इंग्लिश को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, वो इस देश की आत्मा को मार रहे हैं. वो नहीं समझ रहे कि 67% पॉपुलेशन की बात है जो फूड सिक्योरिटी बिल के अंदर 1 रुपए में अनाज खरीदता है, 2 रुपए में अनाज खरीदता है. सर आपके घरों में जितने एसी होते हैं उससे 50 गुने ज्यादा आपके घरों के बाहर फुटपाथ पर सो रहे लोग देसी होते हैं. आप उनके बारे में सोचिए. आप कभी कन्याकुमारी से लेके कश्मीर तक जाइए, जनरल ट्रेन में ट्रेवल कीजिए. आप गुजरात से लेके असम तक जनरल ट्रेन में ट्रेवल कीजिए और पर्दे मत लगाइए खिड़की के बाहर. पर्दे के बाहर देखिए, आपको एप्टीट्यूड नजर नहीं आएगा. आपको इंग्लिश नजर बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. आप जहाज पर चलते हो, आप एरोप्लेन पर चलते हो, आप सिर्फ बादलों को देखते हो.
Naveen, you see what happens is, suppose you get into the IAS. One minute. Well spoken. Suppose you get into the IAS and you get posted into a state like Tamil Nadu. You see, there is a world. Just remember one thing, Naveen. क्योंकि हिंदी हार्टलैंड के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है. Just a minute. No, Naveen, now listen to me. मैं हिंदी में भी बोल सकता हूँ आपको.
Yes sir, no.
हाँ, और ऐसा मत समझ लीजिए कि अंग्रेजी एंटी नेशनल है. फिर तो हम एंटी नेशनल प्रोग्राम करते हैं, एंटी नेशनल चैनल आप बोलेंगे क्योंकि अंग्रेजी चैनल है. ऐसे मत समझ लीजिए कि नहीं भारतीयता. एक मिनट नवीन एक बात समझ लीजिए. आप बात समझ लीजिए. भारतीयता जो है, नेशनल फीलिंग जो है, ये एक लैंग्वेज के साथ इसको एसोसिएट मत कीजिए. ये दिल से नहीं. एक मिनट, आप मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. 2 मिनट मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. ये भारतीयता जो है ना, ये दिल से आती है, ये कोई लैंग्वेज से नहीं आती है. पहली बात आपको मैं कह रहा हूं. मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी नहीं है मगर आप समझ लेंगे मेरी बात. दूसरी बात मेरी ये है, यू कंसिडर अ सिचुएशन. आप मान लीजिए that you get into the IAS and you get posted to a state like Tamil Nadu. Now, as you know in Tamil Nadu, for example, yes, 1 second. Shefali, I know you want to come back. Shefali, just in Tamil Nadu, under the Official Languages Act of 1976, the official language of communication is not Hindi. How will you communicate?
Sir,
and how will you communicate?
I will love to learn Tamil first, second.
No, but you see, you'll have to communicate at some level. No, you can't say I will now then learn Tamil.
If English is
that will take you time. You need a language to do your job in. Don't make it a nationalism issue.
Arnav sir,
no, don't make it a national. What, Naveen?
Let me say just one sentence, sir. Let me say just one sentence.
Others also want.
It's not about learning English language or not learning English language. It's about competitive examination.
Yeah, it's
English
a competitive examination. Tomorrow you can say, tomorrow you can say, for example, you can say, I don't need any mathematical skills. I don't need any logical reasoning.